Hey business coaches, are you looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services? You're definitely in the right spot today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MartySites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your business coaching services. Let's jump in. Now, if you just randomly stumbled across this video today, you haven't heard of MartySites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. MartySites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in to start that free trial, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. Once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you is just to search for your markets. Now we've got hundreds of different markets, as you can see, for various small businesses. I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, coach. Now there's loads of different options for coaches. You can select business coach, health coach, life coach, relationship coach, or use the general service business template. But for this, I'm just going to go ahead and select the business coach as an example. Great, let's on MartySites a few basic details about our coaching service. Pop in your business name, your city and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the MartySites service. We literally have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click that continue button, MartySites will work its magic and generate a simple website for your very own coaching business. It will also automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now, because today I'm going to be the one to show you around and show you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website. Now, the great thing about the MartySites platform, which makes us a little bit different than other website builders, is we've actually pre-written all the content for your business already. This is all editable. Of course, you can change it. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to that content. As I mentioned, make it a bit more personalized to your business. Let your customers know how you got into this industry, a little bit of background about how your small business came to be. To make any changes on the MartySites platform, you absolutely don't need to know any website coding, as I mentioned, and you don't need to be very tech savvy either. You can literally launch and manage this from your smartphone. That's how easy it is to use. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and just give you a brief overview how easy it is to make any changes. Let's click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers, so let's go ahead and click on show email on site. It's now visible for my customers' convenience. Phone number is click to call, and physical location, maybe you're a mobile or online business and you don't have a physical location, but if you have one, pop it in over here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms that your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a business logo, make your way to the next section to upload it. You can click on that little pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Over here on the right is where you can resize your logo to make it bigger and smaller. To change the colors used throughout your new website, just click on that paint icon, go through the various color palette options. There are so many to choose from. For each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your very own business, remember you can change those images and the call to action buttons where they link to. Click on that handy update section button. Now underneath update image, you have the option to actually browse your device and upload your own images, or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You can change the keywords and find suitable images. Otherwise, connect your Instagram account if you have one and pull in those photos from your profile. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file maybe, which is a great idea to advertise your different pricing points and packages. Otherwise, you could link to another website. Maybe you take online bookings through Calendly or another calendar booking software, for example. Pop the link over there. When your customers click on it, they can automatically book a session with you. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form. Your coaching clients can easily reach out to you with their queries. Keep track of all your leads in your Marti dashboard. Domains are really easy as well. If you happen to purchase a custom domain already through a third party, perhaps like Bluehost or Squarespace or any of those, you can actually click on this button at the bottom to connect your custom domain that you've already purchased. If you don't have a custom domain yet, you can absolutely purchase one via the Marti Sites platform as well. Just click on that button, say I want a new domain, and go from there. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website for your coaching service on the Marti Sites platform. If you have any questions about Marti Sites, feel free to drop them down below. I'll be happy to answer them. Do make sure to check out our other videos for some valuable information, marketing tips on advertising, small business. You'll find loads of valuable information there. Really wishing you and your business Marti success. Don't forget the thumbs up for this video and to subscribe to our channel. All the best.